So today we're going to be doing a shaping video, and I'm going to be showing you how to shape these curved nail tips. So I'm going to be using a 100-100 pan and file for this, and the first shape we're going to do is a tapered square. Now these tips that I already have are already in that type of shape. We're just going to define it and make the sides straighter. So you're going to want to hold your file straight, like straight against the nail side like this. File in a back and forth motion with slight pressure against the side. You don't want to have too much pressure, or you're going to take it in too much and it'll start looking like a coffin type of shape. Just repeat these motions of the back and forth at a straight angle against the nail side until you reach your desired shape. Then you're gonna hold your file at a 90-degree angle and file the free edge. Like if you were to place your file on the table like this, how it stands up like that, that's how you wanna have it against the nail edge, and you wanna file at that 90-degree angle until your free edge is nice and straight. So to get your sides nice and crisp, the way you had the file at that free edge with the 90-degree angle, you're going to go on the sides with that 90-degree angle as well, just to make the sides extra straight. And now I'm just going to make the nail white so you can see the shape better. But you're going to want to do this when you do your prep also, just so the acrylic adheres to the tip better. The next shape we will be doing is coffin. So basically you're going to start out the way you did with the square nail, by having your file straight against the side at that 90-degree angle like that. And you're just going to file back and forth for a little while until you get into that nice square shape. Now here's the trick with the coffin nails. You're going to want to hold your file at an angle so where it's only like filing the tip of the nail. Like the tip of the nail like this, like angle like that. And you're going to want to file back and forth at that angle, but make sure you go back and forth at that type of angle so you won't have one side be skinnier than the other. So once you get your coffin shape to how you want it, you're going to sharpen up the edges. So you're going to take your file and go at that 90-degree angle on your sides and your free edge, just to straighten those lines out. And remember, you don't have to have your coffin shape like this. Some people like their coffin shape skinnier. I like to watch how skinny my coffin shapes get. I wasn't satisfied with how my coffin shape was looking, so I did go back on the sides and just bring those in a little bit more. You just go at your own pace. Make sure you look at your nail from different angles, different positions, so it look good all around. Once again, I just made the nail white so you can see the shape a little better. And don't do this step if you want to do like a clear nail, because then the clear nail gonna be cloudy. But yeah, this is the coffin shape, and that's how you do it. Next shape that we're gonna be doing is the stiletto shape. So it's two ways you can do this. Basically, I'm gonna show you the first way, which is starting off by like how you do a coffin nail, like how you file at that angle. You're just gonna like file at that angle until you get a good coffin shape, and then I'm gonna show you something else in a minute. Once you get the base tapered in a little, you're gonna wanna file like half the nail. You see where I have my nail in the way from me filing the top of the nail? You're just gonna wanna file like the very bottom of the nail at that same kind of angle, and you're gonna wanna make the nail come in like to a point. Make sure you move from side to side a lot, especially with stiletto nails, because you don't want your tip of your nail to be crooked, because that's not cute. Once you get it like almost to the point where it's like coming together, you're gonna wanna file just the bottom of the nail, like the very bottom of the nail, just to make the tip pointy. Once you got your stiletto how you want it, you're going to want to clean up the sides and get that excess off of it, and sharpen out the sides of the nail so they won't look like almond shaped. So right here I'm going to be showing you like a brief little description of how you do it the other way. So basically you're going to take a straight edge nail clipper or like some straight scissors, and you're going to basically cut the nail into the shape that you want. I don't really like doing this way because you can easily miscut it, and then your coffin or your stiletto shape be wonky, like it'd be sideways, or one side would be slimmer than the other side. And I just like to watch the shape of my nail, so I don't really like to cut it much because I usually cut too much off. But you could try it this way and see which way you like. I just prefer doing it the first way. I will be having another video posted soon about how to shape C-curve nail tips because they differ. But that's all for today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.